And breaking news coming in, viewers, 2 terrorists have been neutralized by the security forces in the ongoing operation. The search is continuing. 2 terrorists being neutralized as the breaking news coming in. We were just giving information about the infiltration bid being foiled by the alert troops in Srinagar, and the update coming in the case that 2 terrorists have been killed in this operation. 2 terrorists have been neutralized by the security forces in Kupwara. The ongoing operation in the area search is also taking place. Zeenat is joining us live for more details. Zeenat, that's an update coming in the operation with 2 terrorists now neutralized. What are the other details?
It was an infiltration bid that was foiled by the Indian Army along the line of control in Keran, Kupwara. This is line of control and dominated by the Indian Army. Yesterday evening, there was an import about the infiltration attempt. Accordingly, the forces mobilized their movement and there was an exchange of fire which resulted into the killing of the 2 terrorists. Now that the Indian Army has also confirmed that the recovery of the dead body of the 2 terrorists who tried to sneak in. This is a line of control. This is no communication zone, and this is quite close to the Pimple post. That is what we are picking up. And there is usually the infiltration attempts made by the Pakistani terrorists in past also. Although the winter is yet to set in the Kashmir Valley, but because of the autumn chill, we are seeing the temperature is few notches more down during the night. The minus temperature is witnessed. There is usually no visibility, but despite no visibility, we are seeing that the forces were able to neutralize the terrorists who tried to sneak in. Although this year, if you see the count from the line of control, multiple operations, anti-terror operations were carried by the joint forces, which also resulted in the killing of the terrorists. Again, in the month of November, although this is the 11th month, we are almost concluding 2025. And before the winter sets in, we are seeing again another operation being carried by the Indian Army along with the BSF, Jammu and Kashmir police. They've been able to neutralize the 2 terrorists. That tells also that how the Pakistan is desperate. Although Kashmir has witnessed this recent snowfall, with the result multiple passes have already been covered under the snow. Still, they are trying to get the chance to see that if they are able to push the terrorists inside the territory. We are seeing the multiple statements coming from the Indian Army Chief Corps, 15 Corps Commander, who has been giving the statements about the alertness. We have heard the Raksha Mantri also about the alertness, the kind of modern technology that has been infused to give booster shots to the Indian Army along the line of control, and see the count, and it is helping them to even see these images, the thermal images that definitely they must have seen before launching the operation. Technology is definitely helping Army to neutralize the terrorists more in number compared to the previous years. So yes, the 2 terrorists have been neutralized. It was an infiltration bid which has been foiled by the joint forces along the line of control in Keran, Kupwara, which is around roughly 200 plus kilometers from the Srinagar city, which is a no communication zone. And finally, in the morning now, the Indian Army has confirmed that the 2 terrorists have been neutralized. Also, the search continues in the area. We need to wait and watch that apart from the dead bodies, what are articles or the recoveries that have come from the Keran in Kupwara in this infiltration bid.
That's right, Zeenat, thank you.